Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to add Facebook lead ads leads to GoHighLevel automatically. So here let's say that I have an event management company and to promote my events I'm using Facebook lead ads. Here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to create that lead as a contact in my GoHighLevel account. So here to do this I need to set up a connection between these two applications, for which I'm going to use this amazing automation software that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So here to do this, my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads and my action application will be GoHighLevel. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to add Facebook lead ads leads to GoHighLevel automatically. So here let's say that I have an event management company and to promote my events, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to create that lead as a contact in my GoHighLevel account. So now in order to automate this entire process, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, and this here is the landing page. So in order to reach here, you just have to type in pabbly.com/connect in your browser. So here you can see I've got two options. One is of sign in and the other one is of sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can simply sign in. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as add Facebook lead ads leads to GoHighLevel automatically. On my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders that I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads to GoHighLevel automation, and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I've arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So action is an automated response of a trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to add Facebook lead ads leads to GoHighLevel automatically. So whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, I want to create that lead as a contact in my GoHighLevel account. So now to begin with this automation, I will go to my trigger window, and over here I'm going to search for Facebook lead ads as my trigger application. And the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I'm going to receive a new lead, then this workflow is going to run automatically. So now moving to my action window, as I want to create a contact in GoHighLevel. So to do that, I'm going to use lead connector. Over here, I'm going to use lead connector v2. So the action event will be to create contact. So it will create contact on sub account level. That means I need to build a connection between my sub account which I've created in GoHighLevel and Pabbly Connect. But if you're going to use the action event for the location part, then you have to connect it with your agency account. So I'm going to click on create contact. So as you can see that I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So as my objective is to add the Facebook lead ads leads to GoHighLevel automatically. So over here, firstly, I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now, in order to add a new connection, you just have to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. So I've already logged into my account in one of the tabs. And here I'm going to select my account. And you can see that the authorization was successful. So here you can see that Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is connected. So now moving to the page and the lead gen form. So this here is the page that I've created for my event management company, that is by the name of Sparkle Evenings. So firstly, here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to search for my page that is Sparkle Evenings. I'm going to select it. So now moving to the lead gen form. So over here I need to select the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So over here in Meta Business Suite, these are the lead ads forms which I have created. So I'm going to use this lead ad form that is by the name of new leads form, and this is how the form looks like. So I'm going to use this form. That is why over here in Pabbly Connect, from this drop down, I'm going to select new leads form as my lead gen form. So once I've selected my page and the lead gen form associated with it, here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as I did that, here you can see it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So in order to do a test submission, I will go to this new tab and over here I'm going to search for Meta for Developers and I will go to the page. So here in Meta for Developers, I will go to More and now I will go to Tools. So here under Developer Tools, I will go to this Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So this here is the Lead Ads testing tool and this tool is going to test the connection. So from the page drop down, I'm going to select my page as Sparkle Evenings. After selecting the page, I'm going to select the lead gen form which I'm using and now I'm going to click on Preview Form. So this here is the lead gen form and over here I filled in the details of the contact number, email, first name and the last name. So now I'm going to click on Continue. And now I'm going to submit this form. So here it says, thanks, you are all set. Your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead which I've just created right now would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to take it to my Pabbly Connect account. And yes, just now over here you can see that I have received a response. So this here is the contact number, this here is the email address, this here is the first name and the last name along with the created date and time and some other details. So that means the test lead which I've just created right now is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first objective of this automation is set up. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead details will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as over here in Pabbly Connect, I've got the lead details. Now by using these details, I wish to create a contact in my GoHighLevel account. So in order to do that, firstly, I need to establish a connection. So for that, I'm going to use lead connector v2. And as I've already mentioned that if you are going to create a contact or if you are going to create or update a contact, for those action events, you have to use your sub account. But if you're going to use the action event of the location in your workflow, then you have to use your agency account. So now in order to build a connection, I'm going to click on Connect. So here to add a new connection, I need to click on Connect with Lead Connector v2. So as mentioned before, I need to use the sub account which I've created in GoHighLevel. So this here is my agency account. And over here under sub accounts, I'm going to use this account that is by the name of Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to select my sub account from here. So once I've done that over here, you can see that the authorization has been successful. So over here, my GoHighLevel sub account is successfully connected. So I'm going to take it to my GoHighLevel account. So over here, this is the agency dashboard. That means this is the agency account. So on my left hand side, I will go to sub accounts. And here under sub accounts, I'm just going to scroll down and over here, this is the account Pabbly Connect. So over here, this is the sub account that is by the name of Pabbly Connect and I'm using this account. So I'm going to switch to sub account. And here you can see that I have successfully switched to my sub account in GoHighLevel. So here in Pabbly Connect, now in order to create a contact in my sub account in GoHighLevel, I need to mention these details. So here to mention these details, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous steps. So as I've received the details from Facebook lead ads, so that is why firstly I'm going to map the first name. Once that is done, now I'm going to map the last name. So this here is the last name. Moving to the email field, so over here I'm going to map the email as well. So now moving to the location ID. So as I've already built a connection with my sub account, so that is why over here I do not need to mention the location ID. But if you are connecting it with your agency account, then you need to mention the location ID and I'm going to tell you that where you can find the location ID as well. So I'm going to take you to my GoHighLevel account. Over here, you just have to go to settings. And over here in settings, you can see that this here's the location ID. So you just have to paste the location ID in this field if you are building the connection with your agency account. So as I've connected my sub account, so that is why the location ID is not required. So I'm just going to leave it blank. Now moving to the phone number field. So again from the response received, I'm going to map the phone number. So as you can see that these are the details which I've received through Facebook lead ads and I've mapped all of these details in these fields. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you're going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If you are going to write this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if you would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mapped the details which I've received from Facebook lead ads, so now moving ahead. So over here you can mention the source. So as I'm getting these leads from Facebook lead ads, so over here I'm going to mention the source as Facebook lead ads. So once that is done, I'm simply going to scroll down and over here I'm going to click on save and send test request. And here you can see that I have received a response, and this here is a positive response because a contact ID has been generated. That means a contact is successfully created in my GoHighLevel sub account. So now I'm going to take you to my GoHighLevel account. Over here you can see that under contacts, a new contact has been created. Here you can see the name, here you can see the phone number, this here is the email address, and over here you can see the created date and time. That means a contact has been successfully created in my GoHighLevel account from the lead which I've received through Facebook lead ads. So this automation is a successful one. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead will be created as a contact in my GoHighLevel account. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.